red ball. 5 minutes and 52 seconds. Tordesillas drive pass to Bruce. Bruce Pirates good. It's 24-10. It's a 14 lead by red team. Katapang dribbling the ball. Looking for the pass. Pass to number 41. Patuang off short. Rebound by number 6. Okay. It's PNP ball. The passes is too strong. Okay, Katapang. Kabag-anak ng mga Katapang. Okay, pass to number 14. Pass to Katapang. Okay, it's good. What a hook shot by Katapang. It's 2 points. Okay, David, pass to number 6. Pass to Tordesillas. Tordesillas driving in. Pass to number 6, 3 points. Pass to Panganiban. Okay, it's traveling by Little Bruce. It's PNP ball. 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Number 1, Price. So good. Okay, it's a good shot by Tordesillas in a foul by number 7. 4 minutes and 14 seconds. 2 shots by Tordesillas. 1 shot by Tordesillas. Okay, good by Tordesillas. It's 12-27 in favor of red team. Katapang dribbling the ball. Okay. Pass to number 14. Pass. Okay, good by number 14. 3 minutes and 58 seconds. Tordesillas. Pass to David. David tries for 3. Good job. Good shot by David. Number 3 pass. Okay, good by number 3. It's 2-50. Yeah, driving. PNP, Katapang, dribble. Price, okay, it's good. Good shot by Katapang in a foul by number 6. 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Number 3, okay, foul again by number 6. Foul 2. Okay, pass to the big. Okay, intercepted by number 41. It's a good pass by number 41. 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Timeout, red.